Come test drive this 2012 Toyota Tundra. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.